Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure I go down and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video as it helps the channel grow, and I appreciate y'all, man. But look, man, I'm starting to clean out the closet. Gonna put some more clothes up now. Before, everything in there was just straight sneakers. I'm moving into like a separate location now, but yeah, y'all gonna see a lot more clothes in there. So that means I'm gonna bring y'all like some fits and stuff like that. I just gotta figure out how to set this up. I've been lingering about this video of the top 5 sweatpants, and I still have to do that even though it's damn near winter time already. So, but yeah, that's coming up soon. Probably film that later today if I'm not busy. But yeah, man, we're back today with another sneaker review, and it's the Jordan 1 Bordeaux. And yeah, it's been a week since I posted my last review. So it's a new week, another release, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Jordan 1 Bordeaux right here. When I first seen images of this sneaker, it was actually pretty clean to me. It kind of looked like the Japans, but with a Bordeaux colorway. So yeah, take the Japan Jordan 1s and just slap on the Bordeaux colorway. And it looked pretty clean, man. But the hype on Jordan 1s is damn near dead. Like, there's literally no more hype behind Jordan 1s anymore. No more resale, none of that. Like, everybody moving over to Dunks. And I guess Dunks is the new thing. Dunks and 4s, man. But I've been telling you guys about 4s since last year. I was like, yo, the next big thing is going to be Jordan 4s. And nobody honestly believed me, man. But then you could go back and look at my Fire Red 4 video. I've been telling people, yo, buy this shoe. It's going to be the next, like, 4s is going to be the next big silhouette. And ended up being that in 2021. So, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. We have the box right here. And let's talk about the box before we get into unboxing. So it's just a regular Jordan 1 box. All around you got the black box with the Nike logo on top, on the sides, on each side, and then you have the size tag right here. This one right here is a size 9, so I'll be bringing you guys an on feet. And yeah, if you guys need a lacing tutorial, we're just gonna be pretty annoying to lace these. Make sure you check out that video up there. And yeah, the color code reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color code is black/metallic silver/white, and retail on these was $170. All right, so let's just quickly get into the unboxing. So on Jordan 1, you just flip open the lid. We got the Finish Line receipt right here, Finish Line Foot Locker receipt right here, and on the inside, it always comes with this like grayish white paper, and then just flip it open. We have the sneaker right here. So boom, all first look of these, I already could tell that the quality on these is valid, bro. Like, the quality on these is butter. Like, as compared to, I would say, as compared to like the Shadow 2.0s and the Pollens, these are definitely a better colorway. They probably have some more Jordan 1s coming out for the rest of the year, like the Bubble Gums and the patent leather bread. So those should hopefully, you know, get the hype going a little bit. But these, there's really no hype behind them, but very solid shoe, and the material on them is very, very solid. So as for the leather, you know, they use like a not a patent leather, they use like a tumble leather, and yeah, it's nice. But we're gonna cover all that in the review, so I'm just gonna cut to a quick little b-roll, show you guys like the look of the sneaker, and then yeah, come back and we'll break down the whole review, man. So let's get to that. Alright, so coming back from the b-roll, hope you guys got a good look at all the details of the sneaker, man. But it is a very solid colorway and clean colorway in my opinion. So let's just go in and break down the whole shoe with the colorway breakdown and material breakdown. Now, so colorway is just 3 colors that make up this shoe. It's this Bordeaux color right here. It's kind of like a more vibrant burgundy. The silver on the swoosh, and then the white. So white is, you know, the majority of the sneaker. On the midsole, on the mid panel right here, and on the toe box, along with the tongue, and around the ankle, around the back. Yeah, and then you have this Bordeaux color that's around the heel, this area around the wings logo, going around to the other side, the ankle, and coming down the eyelets for the laces, and for around the toe box is in that Bordeaux colorway. Also, it has like a trim around the tongue, and it's the sock liner is also in that burgundy colorway, and the outsole as well. The laces, it comes with burgundy and then an extra pair of white. And then the last touch of color on the sneaker is that silver, which is really nice in my opinion. It has the silver on the Nike swoosh and silver on the wings logo, which is like a plastic part right there. And that's the perfect segue to talk about materials, man. So they got the plastic wings logo right there, like on the Japans, and then the rest of the shoe is basically in leather, and they use like a really nice tumble leather. You guys can see the wrinkles and stuff right there. And yeah, man, and that's pretty much the materials that they use for the whole sneaker. It's just leather, a little bit of plastic, and then they have the rubber outsole. And I think they have like a, people have been telling me they have like an air unit inside the Jordan 1s, and you can't really feel it, but I guess it's so minimal, but it's there because it says Nike Air as opposed to like Dunks where it just says Nike. But yeah, man, that pretty much breaks down the colorway breakdown and the materials. Now let's talk about sizing. As for sizing on Jordan 1s, I do recommend going true to size or down half a size. A lot of people I know, they go down half a size on Jordan 1s. It's like a common thing, but you guys could go true to size or down half a size. So I'm a 9, but I could rock an 8.5 or a 9 in my Jordan 1s. These are a 9, so yeah, just do that. Get your size or get half size down if it's a little bit too loose up front. I like my shoes a little bit of space up front, so I like to get a 9. But if I like my shoes tight, I'll get like an 8.5. But yeah, Jordan 1s, go true to size or down half a size. And that pretty much breaks down the whole shoe, man. You could talk about comfort, but I always say Jordan 1s aren't the most comfortable shoe, and rating will be like a 6 out of 10. But I rate Dunk 6 out of 10, so these probably like a 6.5 out of 10. But it is not like the worst, you know, shoe to wear as opposed to comfort. Definitely like other silhouettes like 6s, 7s, 5s, they're a lot less comfortable than Jordan 1s, but still not the most comfortable sneakers. So I would say like 6.5, 7 out of 10. And that pretty much wraps up the whole breakdown of the sneaker as opposed to the review. Now let's hop to on feet so you guys can see how they look on feet and different ways that you can style them. I'm just gonna throw them on with some gray sweats because that's what I have on right now. I have some gray Nike Tech on, but yeah, give you guys an on feet different look with the laces, and then we'll come back, wrap things up with my resale prediction and my final opinions, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, I don't know if you guys hear that sound in the background. My little brother just got in the bathroom and he decided to take a shower. So we're just gonna wrap things up pretty quick right here. Now with this shoe right here, Resell on Jordan 1s are pretty much dead. Like I said in the beginning of the video, Jordan 1 Resell is pretty much dead. But this is a very clean colorway. So right now it's like around 210 and retail is like 170 plus tax. So it's like 185. So it's pretty tough right now for Jordan 1s because even clean colorways like this, like let's say like 2 years ago, these would just be like 300 off jump. But now there's really like no resale on them, and it's kind of like sad, but it is what it is. What happens when you know, the hype gets up, prices go up, and then there's no more demand. Simple supply and demand, man. There's really no more demand for Jordan 1s, and it's starting to die out. So yeah, that pretty much, you know, covers the resale. I would recommend that you guys don't pick these up right now because it'll probably be like a long term hold until they go up to like 260, 270, man. Probably just look at the silver Japans, for example. Those is a classic colorway and those didn't even go up. But a lot of people don't know like the history behind Jordans, and this is more of a newer colorway. So yeah, I recommend staying away from these for reselling right now. And to wrap the whole video up with my final opinions, I probably won't be keeping these in my collection just because I think I have enough ones in my collection right now. Like I have these Celtic ones right here and I don't even wear them, and yeah, I should start wearing these more again. But yeah, I have too many like Jordan 1s in my collection already, and I'm just missing the Chicago's in my opinion, and obviously like the highly sought after ones. But yeah, I won't be adding these to my collection, but it is a very clean colorway. But you guys let me know, man, down in the comments if you guys pick these up and what you guys think about them, man. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. We out.